Betty, where are you? Betty, I can't find you. Where are you? You're right where? Are you under the bed?
Yeah. I'm running.
What are you doing?
I'm running in the crib. And then I lay. And then I cry. And then I hide. Like that.
Is that you hiding?
Yeah.
What are you hiding from?
The mom. The mommy. My mommy.
You're hiding from Mommy?
Yeah.
Because you were in a timeout?